Benny, darling. Yeah, stop right there. What have I told you about spending so much time with that hobbit? No, I don't think you're typecast. Yeah, I do believe you're the greatest living actor since Olivier. And William Shatner, yeah. Well, there's always another nature documentary. Not that they've been calling. Fucking penguins. Well, I mean, when was any problem not solved by more nudity? Yeah. Hey, listen, I gotta go. Yeah. Now, you tell Martin I have asked him when they're going to do Hot Fuzz 2. Okay, bye. Bloody hell. Charlotte, what is it? I told you, I'm doing a favour for a friend. Well, I happen to love being at drama schools. Yeah, you can feel the hope in the air. Well, tell her to empty her head when the director says action. Shouldn't be too much problem for her. Yeah, well, they're internationals, so they probably can't even speak English. Yeah, it won't be long. Yeah, I'll probably leave at the interval. Okay. Love you. Ciao. Bye.
Good, everyone. I just have a few notes. Dave, I don't believe anything you say. The connection between brain and balls is missing. Jamie. No dramatic pauses. That's not acting. No drama, no pause. Just talk. Neza, you are yelling, pushing. You need to resonate through your chest. Gillette, do you want to be an actor? What does an actor need? To be seen. He needs lights. Stand in your light. Oh, petit bonus. I've asked a friend, an agent, Robert, to come and watch. And I think...
Hey, hi everybody. I am so happy to be here. I'm sure you will all be brilliant.
Okay, that's the half. Should we have coffee?
Tensions are high. Everyone's pretty miserable. I broke up with Oliver. What does it matter? I didn't even want to do this stupid improv anyway. I guess I'm just a bad person naturally.
Jamie, you gotta get makeup.
I am in makeup.
This is the Crispy Theater. Over there is where we hang up our headshots, so you can see our beautiful cast members. Right here, People Magazine's Sexiest Man Alive. Over there, we hang up CVs for any of you, industry folk that would like to take one and cast me on Game of Thrones. The Crispies are a prominent theater family, generations of actors. They built this theater after they lost their daughter in a fire. Good people, the Crispies.
If you say one more thing about the Shire, I'm gonna punch you in the dick.
Seriously, dude, I'm losing my focus. I'm getting that agent. Okay. Shit, I'm supposed to go to stage right. This is so much fun.
Okay, where's my whiskey?
Actually, they were great. But you're not supposed to tell them that.
Well, it was actually a good show. Yeah, it took me back to when I was at drama school. You know, when I had dreams. We're actually just looking for one guy at the moment. We're looking for someone who specializes in jungle ambiance. But I will be keeping an eye on this lot.
Hey son, the puppy's sold. They've gone to their new home. But don't worry, we'll be alright. Don't worry, they will be alright. Don't worry, oh don't worry, oh don't worry, oh don't worry, oh don't worry, son will be alright. Chewing through the plastic cracks, they ran as we exchanged the cash. We rolled around for hours and found nothing.
Marion was a great director. As a person, I'm so glad we're done. I think we did really good. I think.
All right, so here's the thing. We've all been like brutally honest with each other for the past week. I think it's been really good. I think we're all much stronger from it. But now, bitches be hating, man, because I locked down that agent, brah. I told you I'd get it.
Seriously? Of all people?
Check it out.
So a whole bunch of my CVs were taken, which I think means that the agents were interested. They must have seen the big backstory I put into my character. You know, it just goes to show you that there's no such thing as a small part, just small people.
What is this place?
In case you haven't noticed, this isn't real life, Lena.
I know. That'll be okay, right?
Don't worry, they know how to fight. Made some friends at the halfway house. Slept on a trusted couch, but don't worry, they'll be warm at night. Don't worry, they will be alright. Raiding the butcher's shack. One keeps a lookout while the others attack. Oh, don't worry, they will stay alive. Don't worry, some will be alright. Fell asleep on an old freight train. Woke up in a London train, but don't worry, they'll hurry and they'll keep up.
Okay. Oh, is it on?
Yeah.
If it is, oh yeah.
There's a light. Yeah.
Okay.
She was brilliant.
She's so much better.
No.
No, but I'm so
You're the best one.
proud of getting to act with you and
I'm so
coming
happy to
here.
act with you.
But everyone that I met here is so special to me.
It's on.
Yeah?
Yeah, sit down.
Okay, cool. So, what is it about this, you know?
What?
American / English. This is England. We're subtle. You feel me?
Well, no, but we're polite. We're polite. I think that's it. We're polite. And who's the guy that's like, yeah, bro, what's up, man?
That dude.
Dog, what's up, dog? What's going on,
I just
man?
don't get the joke.
Just shut up. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? Comes up and does.
I'd say a lot more, but you know.
Like that English accent. Have to do. Yeah. Fucking joke.
Jungle noises, dog. Next step, Taco Bell. Dave out.